Blake Monroe vs Thea Hail ku mukino warangiye. The fallout of Botched finish between Blake Monroe and Thea Hail early this month on WWE NXT continued to get messier. In an unplanned moment on last week's episode of WWE NXT, Thea Hail defeated Blake Monroe for the Women's North American Championship. This took place after NXT referee Felix Fernandez called the match like a shot and counted to 3 when Monroe failed to get her shoulder up. Reports suggest that Monroe had the wind knocked out of by her springboard session, which resulted in her not kicking out in time. Akubwira ko mu cyumweru gishize Blake Monroe yatsinze Thea Hail muri WWE NXT. Before the evening was over, Fightful Select released a report that revealed the botched result had caused a scramble backstage. Nothing this turn of event greatly altered the creative plan set for the NXT several weeks. There have also been conflict reports on whether there is currently heat on the referee of the match. But how does the former champion Blake Monroe feel about the recent turn of events? Apparently she is not happy about it. According to the Fightful Scene Loss sub, Blake Monroe is unhappy about how things went down, reportedly telling people that she told the referee that she was injured following the springboard senton move from Thea Hail. Blake Monroe akaba atishimye. Ikitamushimishije ni uko mu mukino wo muri weekend ishize yari yavunitse ukuboko ndetse ngo anabibwira umusifuzi ntiyabyitaho. It was also claimed to SAP that the team in charge of Monroe Creative wasn't happy either. Despite the injury claim from Monroe, a rematch between the two women was quickly made. It will take place. Despite reports of heat on referee Felix Fernandez was told that Monroe he handled things the right way, especially nothing. There was nothing he didn't check or listen. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestion, write a comment. Take care. Have a nice day. Wakoze kubana nanjye, igitekerezo cyangwa inyunganizi wanyandikira muri comment. Nibagire gukanda like and subscribe. Urakoze, ugire ibihe byiza.